Hello, Matt. Just thought we'd show you the rod repairs. There's actually, this is the inside piece, and so it would look like that. And that one actually had some rod in it that he routed out and then put a piece in, a new piece of mahogany in place all along here. And then this is some of the original plywood. And we got marine plywood here. And he's getting ready to put in another piece of marine plywood. And that'll be the structural portion of the repair. And then he'll add another small layer of marine plywood. Marine plywood that will take this space up here. And of course, fiberglass goes on top of that. So anyhow, just wanted to show you the progress on the rot repair. We are doing it right. Luckily, we didn't find, well, we did find a little more, but not some great horrendous amount like we were.
Like I was telling you earlier on the phone, I was able to actually get to it to properly repair what was behind there.
Yeah.
That's where I couldn't before.
So we're all good. And we'll be at the lower end of that estimate for repair. Thank you.